Today's tip shows the power of copying elements. You have created a pocket and want to copy it to the right, non-symmetrical half of the shirt. How can you do this with the correct position and without measuring or using auxiliary points? Let's get started. All we need is the copy element normal function. Press the Tab key to assign the copy to the correct piece later. Select the elements to be copied with a frame. Now, it's really important to not click anywhere to confirm the selection, but on the shoulder point, your positioning point. To flip the copy, press the Tab key, move the cursor to the other shoulder point, and click. Now one last click to assign the new elements to the correct part. Done, without measuring or using auxiliary points.